consider myself a very lucky person because I'm blessed to have three fathers. My first father is Jesus in God's heaven. My second father is my biological dad. My third father is Maximilian. I was fortunate enough to marry his beautiful daughter. I've get to know Maxi very well for the last 6 years, and most especially the last year. So I'm privileged to be able to stand up here today and say a few words for his honor. When a loved one passes, we're left angry, hurt, and confused. We're often left with three unanswered questions. Why? Why him? Why now? If we were to be given an answer to those questions, we would be at peace and have the ability to move on. Well, today I think I might be able to provide you some answers to these questions. To answer why, just like Jesus sacrificed his life for our salvation, I believe in my heart that Maxi has sacrificed his life for his family's salvation. When Maxi got sick, his life and the lives of his family changed. And he taught us two very valuable lessons during that period: faith and family. Maxi was always a religious man, but during his illness he became very spiritual and very close to God, which in return made us much closer to God than we ever were. He strengthened our faith for his journey. Also, as soon as Maxi fell ill, the family came together in an instant. We all lived in the one home to be close to him, support him, and guide him through this experience. That made us start a new and very real relationship with each other. We loved one another, cared for one another, and supported one another, becoming a very strong unity like never before. So that answers why: to strengthen his family's faith and bring them together for their salvation. The second question, why him? Because he was ready to take on this very tough challenge that God has set for him. God knew Maxi had the strength and the will to do this for his family. He had the heart and the humility and was willing to give up his life for his family's salvation. Finally, why now? So his family can be saved today, enriched from this experience, closer to God, closer together, and forever grateful to have had Maxi in our lives that now have changed forever. Now that we have the answers to those questions, we are at peace and are able to move on and celebrate his wonderful life and sacrifice. Thanks, Maxi. I love you forever, Poppy. Rest in peace.